You're watching Let's Chat.
And we get to spend our final few minutes of Let's Chat for this Thursday, March 18th, with our friend, attorney Brent Burks from the McMahan Law Firm. First of all, Brent Burks, good morning, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Chip. Good to see you.
All right.
Good to be here.
Here's the first question. Are you going to go to bat for me?
Absolutely. That's what we do for folks. You know, folks come to us when they're going through a hard time. They've been hurt. The most common things in a car wreck, but could be any type of an injury situation caused by somebody else's negligence. And that's what Jay and I and the attorneys here, we have 9 attorneys now, do. We go to bat for people.
One of the things that impresses me about your law firm is you call, somebody answers. And you guys aren't just conventional 9-to-5ers when it comes to the profession of law. You guys pretty much do it around the clock wherever it is most convenient for the client, correct?
Absolutely. We're available 24/7. Somebody will return a phone call, and it could be me, could be Jay, could be our office manager, could be one of the other attorneys.
Right.
But they're going to have a phone call back.
All right. You guys have come up with a pretty, at least I think so, innovative scholarship program based on a good old-fashioned handwritten essay. Tell me how you conceptualize this and how this process works.
Well, Chip, we call it the Go to Bat Scholarship. Jay and I, our theme here lately has been that we go to bat for our clients. And so we love to give back to the community, and young people are obviously the future of our country. And so we set up a scholarship, $1,000 to be applied towards tuition or education-related expenses. And there are certain requirements. They have to either be already enrolled in a state university, state of Tennessee University, or have been accepted. So they could be a high school senior or they could be a college senior. They have to write a 500 to 750 word essay about a cause that they feel strongly enough to go to bat for. And it can be anything. We're not telling them what,
Sure.
what topic they need to pick. It can be the environment, or, making the community better, or any topic in the world. They need to go online to do so to McMahanLawFirm.com, and they'll see there's a form online to do that. And there is a deadline. This has been going on a little while. The application deadline is going to be April 30th.
Mm-hmm.
So about 6 weeks or so from now. And I encourage young people that are, or their parents, to tell them about it, because it doesn't matter if they're at UTC or Chat State or MTSU or Knoxville, they can use that. So then the the decision will be made the week of May 17th. And we're going to, basically give them a check.
Sure.
Live.
And
So-
$1,000 is $1,000. That certainly helps out students regardless of their age. Let me ask you this, if you don't mind. Who's going to be reading these scholarships and judging them? Is that you and Jay? Is that a team effort, the whole staff, community outsiders? Tell me.
Me and Jay, primarily, and it will be a team effort. I'm not sure who else is going to be involved at this point, but me and Jay definitely. And we're going to be the decision makers on that.
All right. I'm going to put you on the spot here for a second. Both you and Jay, feel free to answer for your partner. Were you guys good essay writers in school?
I was a pretty good writer, especially in college, knowing that I wanted to go to law school. I took classes where I remember some pre-law type classes and writing these long 20, 25-page essays. And, I can't fathom doing it as much at 51 now as I did it at 18 and 20 and 22,
Sure.
But I was always good at talking and writing. Those were my 2 things. So
hopefully you or Jay or both will be able to join us here over the next couple of weeks. And we're going to talk about why and how being locally involved with your community, whether it's got 200 or 2 million people, is so vitally important to all businesses, but especially one that practices the profession of law. Brent, good to see you as always, and you and I will talk here over the coming days. You want to find out more, again, the website is right there on your screen. We'll see you here tomorrow morning at 10 for Let's Chat.